For a holiday side that's as stunning as it is simple, let's make these maple roasted carrots with salted pepitas and white bean puree. Start by tossing the carrots with maple syrup, a little oil, and a pinch of salt. Spread the carrots in a single layer. They need some breathing room to roast evenly. Toss the raw pepitas in a small bowl, drizzle with some maple syrup and a sprinkle of salt. Set those aside and let's start on the white bean puree. Put those canned white beans in a bowl that you can use to blend. Give it a good glug of olive oil, and then we're going to add some lemon juice, mince some garlic, and then to give it a little bit of a kick, I'm going to add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Sprinkle in some fennel seeds and add some fresh rosemary. Grab your hand blender and blend everything until it's nice and smooth. Let's set that white bean puree aside while we wait for the carrots to roast. This is so good. I've even made white bean crostini using this puree. So the carrots have roasted about 15 minutes. Now let's toss the pepitas on the other half of the baking sheet. We're going to throw those in the oven and let them get nice and caramelized. To get ahead, you can prepare the maple roasted carrots and the pepitas along with the white bean puree up to 6 hours in advance. Just store each component separately in an airtight container. Be sure the carrots are cool to room temperature before sealing. When it's time to assemble, spread the creamy white bean puree across the bottom of the serving platter. Pull those roasted carrots and pepitas out of the oven, and then we'll layer them on top of the white bean puree. Sprinkle with some parsley, salt, and pomegranate seeds. I love this dish. It keeps it simple, and it's the perfect centerpiece for a small gathering or holiday celebration. If you haven't already, please subscribe.